Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial on this look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. I already did my eyebrows off camera and I also did one eye off camera. For the eyebrows, what I used was the Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony. And then to set my eyebrows, I used the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. And then what I used today for the shadows was the Iluvsarahi and Dose of Color collab. And these are the shades. So now we're gonna move on to the other eye. So the first shade I'll be going into is this one right here. And I'm sorry if you could hear my son, but he's in here with me right now. So I'm gonna add that to the crease. And I'm also gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer so you guys can see better. There we go. And I'm also still under the weather.
Just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't. No, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your phone and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life.
And now I'm gonna go into this shade right here and add that on the crease. I just want to darken up that crease a little bit more.
The love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life. My life.
I'm not gonna cut the crease. I'm just gonna add that green shade without cutting the crease. I'm gonna spray my brush with a little bit of the Evian spray. So now I'm gonna go into this shade right here.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't.
And now I'm just gonna go back in with this shade and just add that to the outer corner. And then I'll also try to blend this. And then I'm just gonna take in a smaller brush with that same shade and then add it to where the both colors meet and just blend them. Alright, so the eyes are done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on with my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and scoot you guys back a little. For primer, I'm gonna be going in with the No Problem primer. This one.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't. No, I didn't see it.
So I'm gonna be going in with the MAC NC42 foundation. And then I'm just gonna use the sponge.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty.
For concealer, I'm gonna be going in with the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer.
Sees what I can't find. I didn't. No, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your phone and I.
And now I'm just gonna take some of the Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna add that with my Morphe sponge.
Wow, the love of my life. The love of my life. You never leave when the sun.
And I'm gonna take that same powder and set the rest of my face. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and move to my bottom lash line. So I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here and add that to the bottom lash line.
It's over, you had a tattoo.
And now I'm gonna go in with this darker shade and add that closer to the lash line.
Till the end, you're the love of my life. You're the love of my life.
So now I'm just gonna go ahead and dust off the bake. So for the bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in medium deep. I'll just use this brush. Scratch that. I'm gonna go in with the Guerlain Terracotta bronzer.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't. No, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your truth and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life. The love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You had a tie till the end. You're the love of my life. You're
I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the translucent powder that I used and cut this out. For blush, I'm gonna go in with this blush right here. It's from Note and it's called Desert Rose.
the love of my life. My life.
Now I'm gonna add some liner to the top and bottom lash line, and I'll do that off camera. So I'm done with the liner, and I also went ahead and took off the bake that I had going on under the bronzer. Now I'm just gonna set my face with some of the Evian's facial spray, and now I'm just gonna go in with some of the Laura Geller Gilded Honey.
Old walls that I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh,
So now I'm just gonna go in with some more of the Evian's facial spray, and I'm also gonna pop on some lashes. While the lash glue dries, I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna go in with the Bite Me from Morphe, and I'm gonna go in with the Dose of Color Nude Chica. This is from the same collection of the Iluvsarahi and Dose of Color. And I'm also gonna go ahead and add some bottom lash mascara. Alright guys, so while I was off camera, I did my eyelashes. Well, I put in my eyelashes. And yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload. And I will see you guys on Monday. Bye!
old walls that I'm stuck in.